Yung bakuna, nakita naman ninyo, we were able to administer 10.2 million doses throughout the country from November 29 to December 3, which is a huge achievement in our fight against COVID-19. Biro mo, I'd like to thank the doctors, the volunteers, and all for, of course, Secretary Duque and Secretary Galvez. I thank you for, in behalf of the Filipino people. We will have a second round of Bayanihan Bakunahan from December 15 to 17. I hope that you would have the same success. At this time, lesser because parang naubos na natin ang Pilipino sa yung what counts sa bakuna. Kaya medyo there's a slowdown of the COVID-19.